Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a no contract reading for Aries. This is a general reading, please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So this is a no contact reading. Let's see what are the energies between you and the person you are not in contact with right now. This is for Aries. Let's see what is the current energy between you and the person right now. What is the current energy between you and the person right now? Let's see what is the current energy between you and the person right. Okay, Page of Pentacles. Let's see what do they think about you. What are their thoughts about you? What do they think about you? What do they think about you? What are their thoughts? What does the person think about you? What are their thoughts about you? Let's see one card for what are they. What do they think about you? Okay. Okay. Let's see what are their feelings towards you at this connection. What are the feelings towards you at this connection? What are the feelings towards you or this connection? What are their feelings towards you or this connection? What are their feelings towards you or this connection? Alright. Let's see why are they silent? Why are they not reaching out to you? Why are they not reaching out to you? What has made them gone silent? Why are they not reaching out to you? Let's see what is blocking this connection. What is blocking this connection here? What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection? Alright. And let's see what are their next move, if any, in the next 1 to 2 weeks. Alright. Let's see what is the advice for you here, Aries. What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you from the higher self? What is the advice for you from the higher self and the divine? What is happening? Okay, I'll take this. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have 6 of Pentacles, which means you need to create balance and see how you can be available for yourself and for the near and dear ones. Okay, it needs to be financial availability and emotional availability both. Okay, let's see what do the cards have now. So right now the current energy between this connection is about, I think you both are kind of considering or focusing on the financial aspect, and also there is, I think, from either you or from them, the roles can be reversed also. Please see how it resonates. There is an energy of not looking at the situation or the connection at a mature level. Okay, there is a very very immature kind of energy I am feeling here for this connection. And I think the most important thing is being given to the finances, to the materialistic thing, instead of being focusing on intentions and emotions. Okay, let's see what do we have next. So what do they think about you? I think here the death is not the death as such. It's about going through a transformation phase. I think the connection, what I feel here is that when they meet you or when you are in connection, they feel there has been a lot of transformation going on, or you kind of help them seeing things through a different perspective or from a different angle, which kind of make them think through different aspects, okay, which they might kind of ignore or overlook. Okay, so that is what I think. They feel like you kind of change their perspective, which helps them to grow, but that growth and that change is not easy for them. Okay, so that is why somewhere I think this connection is not moving ahead as of now. Let's see what's there. What are their feelings for you? I think they feel that the situation is over. You are kind of, you have moved on, or the person you are not in contact with has moved on. As I said, the roles can be reversed also. So I think one of you is having the feeling that the situation is over, and both of you have given your best efforts, and there is a energy of being backstabbing or betrayal or heartbroken. Okay, so that is somewhere I feel there's a very dark energy over here. So there's a lot of overthinking going on, and because of all that, they have planning not to think of you or the situation as of now, because from their end or from your end the situation is over. Okay, let's see why have they gone silent here. See, as I was saying, they think that they are, with you they have kind of gone through a transformation or a change. You help them look into things from a different perspective and they feel the situation is over. Because of all this being running in their mind, they need some time off so that they can interrogate and look within and see what do they really want in life, whether they really think this connection is good for you or for them. And they are kind of looking for a solitude so that they can listen to their inner voice. What do they really want in life? That is what they are focusing on right now, kind of interrogating their own feelings. Let's see what is blocking this connection. The blockage here is the way of looking at things. Basically, what I see here, the person is mainly focusing on what has gone instead of trying to see things from a different perspective. So that is what somewhere is stopping this connection. And since they are not changing their perspective of seeing things, they are kind of thinking not reaching out, it's over. They are not trying to create a balance here. They need to create a balance so that they can move forward in life. It can be either towards you or towards whatever path you both are looking for, but you need to change your perspective if you need to come out of this blocked energy. Let's see what is the next move, if any. So see, I think they might be stalking you over social media. They might be checking your posts. They might be trying to figure out what is happening with you, what you are about to, and all that, right? Somewhere I think they are checking your whereabouts, okay? Because they have not completely get over this connection, but they are kind of looking for an opportunity to reach out. But as of now, I don't see a move. They are just looking you from a distance. Yeah, that's what I see. Okay, let's see what the guidance for you here is. What is the advice for you here, Aries? So advice for you here is, if you're having the thoughts of reaching out to them, you can definitely give it a try, but I would say be confident in whatever you're looking for, because for you it's very important to look at the things at a very mature level, whether this connection is helping you to move forward or not. Okay, so you need to look for your what is for your highest good, and then take the action. Because if you are thinking of reaching out, but at the same time you had this energy of being in a disturbing energy, and not having a proper solution to what you're looking for, or not having that vibe with the person, then I think you need to think carefully. Okay, you need to see what is where the situation will go. So advice for you here right now is to think very practically, not only at an emotional level but also logically, and then see where you want to go ahead in life. Okay, so you need to be very mature, you need to be very stable, and you need to be very confident in whatever you're planning to do. Okay, so that's the energy, guys. So we'll take out some bonus messages for you. Let's see what do the bonus messages are here for you. We'll take out some bonus messages. So blessings. See, the blessings are coming your way. You are being blessed. So don't worry about what will happen. You have the blessings of the divine. You have the blessings and support from the angels. Okay. Another thing is abundance. Okay, so you do not have to focus on lack. You do not have to focus on what is not available to you. Okay, you have to just focus on your blessings and feel grateful for what you are having. Okay, healing. Okay, so we do have this message of healing. You need to heal yourself first before you take any action. As I said, you need to be very confident and very mindful of what you want to do. So before reaching out or before taking any action, you need to heal yourself. Okay, so that's the general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.